Okay, a first look at my latest acquisition. It's a small lathe. For a while now I've been looking out for an old Emco Unimat lathe, but this one fits the bill. I've not tried it or plugged it in. I'm sorry about the shadow appearing. Just trying to move out my own shadow. It's got no markings on it. I've picked it up in Sheffield, and I'll give you the name of the place where I picked it up because it's a really useful machine tool place. Just can't remember just now. If I pull back, it's actually sitting in one of those cardboard lettuce crates, so it's probably between centres across there, not going to be much more than 12 inches. I have other lathes which I may show to you. Anyway, I'll just tilt it on its side up. Lift the motor out. The motor doesn't tell us anything because it's that style for mounting screws or bolts to be fitted there. It has, I think it's had a manual feed, and the brass nut there onto the lead screw and the attachment at the end I think look like an engineer made attachment to allow screw cutting to take place, or if not screw cutting, automatic feed. It's got that style of chuck, which is the style which I believe was used on the old Emcos, and there's a spare headstock spindle. Oh, that's the worm off the end, and that's the it's not a hole through it. There's a hole in the end which is a taper to take a very small taper. Without a ruler it's going to be very difficult for you to assess the scale of it, but these are approximately 1/4 inch square tools. So all in all, assuming that the bedways look clean, and generally it looks really quite clean. The nuts, the handles, the one on the end for the feed screw and the one for the cross feed here are both damaged, but they're Bakelite. It's been painted white. So we'll see how that goes. Basically, if you've any idea what sort of lathe this is, I'd appreciate a comment.